everyone, I'm Dani Walker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to curl your hair. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, as well as follow me on my social media at Dani Walker and also at Pageant Access on Instagram and Facebook. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because it's really hot in here. I had to turn off the air so you guys can hear it. So the first thing I like to do, and this is an optional step, is just to spray my hair with heat protectant, just so it looks a little bit shinier and to protect it from all the damage I'm about to inflict on it. And I will actually put a link to this heat protectant in my bio. I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can find it. This is Cheese 44 Iron Guard. I use this one all the time. It doesn't make my hair sticky. It doesn't feel oily. I'm obsessed and love it. Okay, now first thing I do is just part my hair down the center, just like this, and then I split it from my ear all the way back. This is optional. I usually don't clip it, but it could be easier for you to do that, so go for it if it helps. Then I start from the back corner of my hair, and I just start sectioning the hair. So I pull this piece and I place it towards the back because I know I'm going to throw it in the back once I'm done curling it. So I'm going to grab this Hot Tools curling iron. This is my favorite curling iron. It is a 1-inch barrel. It is an incredible investment. It doesn't even cost that much. I will also link this in the description below. I think it's around 40 or 45 bucks and the quality is unbeatable. I also have found that since I've been using this curling iron that my hair stays curled for so long. Right now I have it heated up to about 400 degrees, although it goes to 430. What I'm about to show you is probably the most important part of curling my hair, and it's how I get my hair to stay for hours and hours. I make sure that the barrel is facing down, it's just curved down, and I place the hair in it and I keep it towards the root of my hair. Then all I do is roll the hair through it. This makes a huge difference. Oh, it's scalding. And I just let it sit and toss it to the back. Now what most people do, I've realized, is they start curling from the bottom up and it tends to fry your ends. It makes your hair look dry and it doesn't hold your curl for as long. Curling it this way has so many benefits. The next thing I'm going to do is take the next section of hair, same way that I did before. I'm starting right beside my ear. And I pull a small section and I make sure it's not too thick. If it's too thick, then it's going to take a long time to curl or it just won't hold as well. I'll give you an example of the way that I usually see people curl their hair. So typically people start at the bottom and they roll their way up. And it can curl your hair like that, but you end up just frying the ends. And the ends are the parts that usually will hold a curl the best, so you don't need to fry them. So that's how people would normally do it. It still works just as well, but I have found that it's more damaging to my hair to do that, and it takes longer. I just grab it from the center. I'm gonna roll my hair through. I am sweating so badly right now. Make sure it's hot, it's on fire, and then I just place it to the back. Then I'm gonna take my hair again, I'm gonna section it from the center of my head right here down towards my ear, and I'm gonna split that. I'm gonna take the hair in front, reclip it, and then I'm gonna take all the straight hair and I'm gonna start sectioning again. So I'm starting close to my ear in small pieces. If it gets frizzy, just brush that out. Remember, start in the center, just roll the hair back. Whew, it is way too hot in here. I'm gonna be dripping sweat by the end of this, and I lost the end of the hair. It's all right. Grab the next one, the next section, and because I want it to be really clean, if it gets frizzy like that at the top, I just brush it through. Start towards the roots, roll back. Same thing. By the way, you guys, a lot of you have been asking where I get my clothes, and I shop at a ton of different stores online. If you want to know where I get my outfits, you can actually subscribe to my blog. So I've been creating blog posts where I link all of my clothes. So then if you guys want to recreate some of my looks, you can have the links to do that. But I also do sell most of what you see me wearing on Instagram. I sell that in my Instagram stories. If you guys want to purchase some of the looks that you've seen on my Instagram account, feel free to do so by following me on Instagram at Dani Walker, and you guys can check out my for sale highlights to see what's available. Whew, gosh, we're on fire. Next section. With the front section, same thing. I start towards the ear and I like to pull the hair always towards the back. So whatever hasn't been curled, I keep it towards the front. I'm gonna roll this. I'm gonna do it real quick and fast. The other thing you might have noticed is that I don't hairspray my hair yet. It tends to make it really crunchy and it weighs down your hair if you hairspray it before it's curled. Spraying your hair can actually weigh down the hair and cause your curls to fall. And I see a lot of girls doing that in pageants, or a lot of my friends are like, my hair never stays, and it's actually because they're weighing down the hair with product. Then I just go to the other side. Same thing, I'm gonna section it from the top to the bottom, clip it, and start from the back. Roll it, roll the hair through, woo, there we go, through. Next piece by the ear, pull the straight pieces in front, and the piece I'm curling goes towards the back. As we're curling, guys, and as we're waiting, if there's anything that you want to see more of on this channel, please let me know. Leave that in the comments below so then I can create some new videos for you. Lots more coming, lots more about pageants and life and finance. I want to help all of you, ladies and gentlemen out there, live the life of your dreams and be able to finance that. It's an important part. Okay, so here's this piece, real quick. This is the benefit, by the way, of having thin hair, just not a lot of it, is that it's really easy to curl. If you have more hair, obviously, it's gonna take more time. All right. I always like to curl pieces back and away from my face so it's not falling. Oh, I missed a little spot there. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to resist the urge to touch it, and I'm gonna let it cool for a couple minutes, and then as soon as everything's cooled, I will style it. I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. All of my curls have cooled down, so the next thing that I do is pretty simple, is I just put my fingers through my hair and shake it out just like this. I don't like to put a lot of product in my hair because, like I said, if you have thin hair, if your hair has trouble staying curled, it might not be the best idea to add a ton of product. So what I usually do is just spray my flyaways if I'm actually going out. But typically, if you guys see my hair curled on Instagram, it's not filled with product. It's just how it is, and it pretty much stays all day. But right now, I will be going out. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of hairspray. Right now, I'm using the Mega Freeze Extreme Hold Hairspray by It. This was given to me at a pageant literally forever ago. It's lasted so long. And then all I'm gonna do, just smooth down my little flyaways. That is literally it. That is how I get my curled hair. This isn't really pageant curled hair, but if you are looking for a softer look for pageants, you can do that. If you wanted it a little less curled, don't be afraid to just brush it out and then spray it with your favorite hairspray. I'll show you guys. That's my finished product. Yay. There it is. And then it stays curled all day. That's how I curl my hair every day, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it with all of your friends. I would really, really appreciate it. And of course, in the meantime, I'll be creating new episodes for you. So if you have any requests, leave those in the comments below. Thanks so much. Bye.